Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Trivisha Classes. In today's video, I am going to teach you about number names. Number names 1 to 20. Okay, come. 1. O-N-E 1. Okay. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. 18. E-N 18. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. And last is 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Okay, so students, these are the number names 1 to 20. I hope you enjoyed it. So please do like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get the 4 further notifications. Thank you. Bye everyone.